All the lighting shows have been designed specifically for the areas that they're used in. There are 6 different areas, all controlled from one iPad. We really needed to come up with different designs for each space to really set the tone and the mood inside those rooms. The yoga room has circular design lights to really set the tone for a wellness area with no sharp edges.
The light really play a quite significant effect on our classes and how our clients choose to join the classes. Yoga, we have the red light yoga class. Sometimes I like to use it to bring up the mood of what I want to bring the mood for the class. Let's say in the morning class, I want it to be just like basic and bright, bring their awareness up. For the lighting controls, we use iPad, so it's quite easy and simple. There's a picture of the pattern and the name of the pattern, and then just click on it, and then it will change according to the pattern that you chose. Okay, can amp it up a little bit, and I'll use the very wow light.
The Pilates room is a very unique design. We have lighting going up the walls across the ceiling, and we've embedded those in between mirrors. This creates an infinity effect in the room. The owners really wanted to make the Pilates a wow factor, and we created that and more.
In our reformer classes, we're using lighting to bring up the beat. If we're doing something challenging, you want the lighting to reflect that. If you're doing something nice and light that's fun, you also want the lighting to reflect that, whether it's nice little disco vibe going on. As an instructor, using the lighting can't be any simpler. I simply have everything on an iPad and I can easily change the settings to match the mood.
The functional area has a large X on the ceiling. This X can be controlled into a variety of lighting patterns. It really does accentuate the space and make you feel like the lighting is taking over.
The lighting can set the mood, the scene, and the tone for the class basically. So you can allow you from bringing it all the way up here as energetic as possible with say something as bright as a yellow to bring it nice and dim with a darker color such as a lighter or darker blue. Well, the iPad controls are amazing. They give you over 100 different colors to choose from, and it makes it really easy as well. You'd assume with that many colors there'd be so many controls, but it's really just a touch of the finger. Whatever you feel like, whatever you're in the mood for, it gets you there.
The arrow section down the hallway is a really unique design that we came up with. The owner wanted to have some lighting that could signal to members coming into classes when it was time to go in, when the class was about to start, and when it's too late to enter the class.
And we thought, might as well let the gym talk to the members through the lighting. So we actually designed the lights to be all automated based on our timetable. So when there's 5 minutes to a class, the lights go from an ordinary white to a yellow sort of moving system. 30 seconds of the class, it goes red, and then it goes green when the class starts. And it's green for 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes, it goes red, indicating that it's probably too late to join the class, otherwise you might disrupt the class. So it's a really, really good concept that's helped in a stylish way encourage our policies and actually keeps people accountable to the class times.
The gym floor is quite a large space. We had to come up with lighting that was both purposeful and effective. So we have some large strips of white light to give us that bright feel, so that when people are working out, everything is visible. We put LED strips behind the mirrors as well to really emphasize that area.
So you can make these lights all wavy, so it sort of welcomes people through the gym floor and it builds a sort of a good little community and a good vibe, good flow with the general gym equipment from our cardio, across the room to our weights, everything designed for a reason.
From the moment that Integrated Fitness approached us, I knew that the owners had a specific idea of how they wanted it to look. So we sat down with them, designed the look and feel of the studio and how it would operate.
Fitness audio is great because these lights really showcase and highlight exactly what we do here at Integrated Fitness. So just like where I am now, our functional area, we can really rev up the intensity and the feel and environment of the room with these lights.
Everything in lighting and audio you guys need. The Fitness Audio is definitely the place to be. From day one, they've just been amazing. Their concepts are really what I wanted to incorporate into my gym. So it was a perfect partnership from day one.